This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to a web page in LibreOffice Writer. Let me jump over to Writer here. I have LibreOffice Writer opened up now. I have a few images on my document here. I'm going to be making a short video on how to hyperlink an image to a phone number, how to hyperlink an image to an email address, and on this video I'm going to show you how to hyperlink an image to a web page. First thing you want to do is left click on the image to select it. Then you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab, click on Insert. Then you want to go down to where it says Hyperlink and click on Hyperlink. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to make sure you're on the Internet tab. Then over next to where it says URL, this box right here is where you want to place the URL of the web page that you want to hyperlink the image to. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to use google.com. I'm going to put my cursor in there and I'm going to press Ctrl V to paste in the URL. Then you want to go down to the bottom and click on Apply. Then you will click on OK. Now when I place my cursor over that image, it tells you it's hyperlinked to google.com. And the way to open the hyperlink is to use Ctrl+Click to open it. Now sometimes this takes a minute or so before it registers with LibreOffice Writer, so don't give up on it if it doesn't work at first. I'm going to put my mouse cursor over the image, I'm going to hold down the Control key, and I'm going to left click. It opened up google.com. That's what I have it hyperlinked to. That is how to hyperlink an image to a web page in LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching.